Let me show you how easy it is to make fried rice when you already have the ingredients prepped. For this, I used liver, veggies, and meat stock from last week's meal prep in the freezer. And you don't even have to defrost the veggies and liver before using. Toss them frozen into the hot oil. Defrosting veggies before using will make them soggy. And for the meat stock, you also don't really need to defrost it. I just brought mine out of the freezer into the fridge the night before because I used out of it. Simply add it frozen to your rice with a little water and it will dissolve in the cooking heat. By the way, I also have another fried rice recipe on my YouTube channel. It's a different method from this, but also very, very delicious. People who have made it can attest to how delicious it is. Just open YouTube and type Lagos Housewife fried rice and it will pop up. You can try both methods and choose your favorite. Back to our fried rice here. I grilled my chicken that we use for the fried rice in the air fryer while the rice was cooking. Both got done at the same time and food was ready. See the importance of meal prepping. Enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you again tomorrow.